Hello, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another market update. So in this video we will discuss about Bitcoin as well as we'll discuss about the Bitcoin dominance. Okay, so recently we just discussed about Bitcoin that we are waiting for the liquidation of the highs, and you can clearly see this week was nothing more except the liquidation of all the retails who had just shorted the market from here or here. This stop loss just triggered, came down, and now again moving in direction. So our entry zone was basically around about over here, 45,000, or I don't know exactly where was it. So and it's moving my direction. You can clearly see how perfectly we just discussed about this move and this move. Okay, so in this video we'll discuss about the further future of the Bitcoin, that what will be happening with Bitcoin in upcoming days. Okay, so let me get rid of first of all this volume. So first of all, let's start from 1 day time frame, because we have to make a context for ourselves by moving from higher time frame and now then shift into lower time frames, right? So according to 1 day time frame, we already discussed in my all the webbies, in my all market update, this structure is still bullish. Yeah, we have to go for longs. Okay, because if the structure is bullish, we have to go for longs, and if something presents that for short, we have to just skip them. And again, if market presents that for longs, we have to go for longs, right? So keeping that scenario in our mind, still the structure is bullish, and this is nothing more except a cluster. We already discussed this shit. And after a cluster we need an explosion. Okay, so this explosion is nothing more, it's not enough for me, we need some explosion more. Okay, so still 5 dBs we are having, and we are waiting for the liquidation of the high still. Now let me have this one like this, and let me make this guy like this. Okay, so structure is still bullish, hands down. 12-hour time frame, I think so, the same thing, same scenario, still cluster, and still we need an explosion. Okay, so 4-hour time frame, let's see. According to 4-hour time frame, we have the same scenario: first DB, second DB, third, fourth. The last one was a cluster, and almost all of them are cluster. So still we have some potential for longs. Okay, nice. According to 1-hour time frame, let's see what's going on 1-hour time frame. And here it was just a liquidation. Wick was nothing more except a liquidation of all the shorts, and after that price make down move over here towards my entry zone, and it's moving my direction. Okay, so first of all, let's see that this is a demand. Yeah, as we already discussed in my previous market update, that it's a good demand from where we can go for long. And now we are just playing over here like this. Okay, so still the structure is bullish, and since my recent update is still working in my direction, so still we can go for longs rather than following the shorts. Okay, so we have to liquidate these shits overall, or even we can liquidate this one or this one. Okay, so if you want to take again an entry, so you can take an entry when price came some get some retracement over here, you can go for longs like this. Same scenario still, I am still going for longs rather than following the shorts. Like this makes sense. Okay, this time this type is more makeable. Why? Because 4-hour time frame, this is a quite good demand, and 1 hour time frame, according to 1 hour time frame, we have a quite good retracement over here. So longs make sense from here again. uh, let where the price came give some sorts of retracement, then you can go for longs. Okay, so 45,500 zone again for longs, and stop loss, same stop loss, nothing else. 44,150 stop loss makes sense. TP number 1 this time will be like this, and TP number 2 like this, and all the way you can take for longs. Okay, so this was Bitcoin, and with that you have to discuss about Bitcoin dominance. Let's see what's going on dominance. So Bitcoin dominance, yeah, perfectly. This was quite good. 1 day time frame, 3 day time frame, same thing. This is nothing more except a reaccumulation model. Price came again upside. This is good. 1 day time frame, same scenario. Let me get rid of all this fun stuff. Yeah, still the structure is bullish, so we have to go for longs rather than following the shorts, right? So let's see what's going on. 12-hour time frame, same thing. Another time frame, that's 4-hour time frame. According to 4-hour time frame, we have first bullish push, second bullish push, like this, third, fourth, and 4 dBs in a row. So 4 dBs in a row, but that does not make any sense to me that I cannot go for longs. We can go for longs, right? So let's see what's going on 1 hour time frame. Yeah, we are just facing a accumulation model, so it means that we have still some potential for longs. Okay, so let's see what's going on. with the help of EMAs according to star method. Let's see if something happens over here. Okay, yeah, that's good. Price just rejected this one, again moved up. So yeah, Bitcoin has a lot of potential. Means Bitcoin dominance has a lot of potential for price to come on this demand zone. At the same time, it will be on EMA 20, so star method will be perfect for this one, right? So it means that Bitcoin dominance will drop somehow like this. You can clearly see um, from here, quite good demand, makes sense for this. Stop loss like this makes sense, a bit down. Yeah, so this is the scenario on Bitcoin dominance, right? Makes sense. 53% entry, 53% 0.08 stop loss, and 55%. So Bitcoin dominance is overall still bullish. We are still willing for liquidation of the longs. Okay, so this was it for today. Hope you enjoyed the quick market update on Bitcoin, aka Bitcoin dominance. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a big like. Take care, guys. Peace.